Welcome back, guys, and we will continue on the DHCP server lab here. You can see I have a client virtual machine called client 01, and I have changed the network setting on the virtual machine. So instead of having NAT configured, I have selected custom specific virtual network VM net 0 on this one. And so it should be getting IP address directly from the DHCP server, which is test VM. So let's go ahead and open command prompt and run ipconfig/all. And if you maximize, we can see that it is getting an IP address 192.168.1.2 with a subnet mask of 225.25.25, and we can see that it obtained the lease on 18th January 2020 time 8:39, and the lease will expire on 26, exactly 8 days later. DHCP server, here it is. DNS server, it doesn't have any. So let's go back to the DHCP server very quickly and refresh this. So if we go into address lease, we can see that we are VM1, the first virtual machine, which is this one, test VM. It has a reservation and it says inactive, but we will see this. Let's check it quickly. .1, yep, that's fine. And you can see it assign static dynamic IP address 192.168.1.2 to test host through DHCP. It shows the lease expiration date here, and in terms of network access protection, it's full access, and everything seems okay here. So now if we try to ping our client machine here, 192.168.1.2, you can see maybe we might need to turn on the firewall. So let's go ahead and do that very quickly. Obviously, highly not recommended to do in production environment. I'll cancel out. Actually, we might have to do it on the client as well. Sometimes it works on one side. Turn firewall off. Oops, you can see ping is coming right away as we turn on the firewall. What we can do is we can create an exception in firewall instead of turning it off, but we don't want to waste time for this lab. That's not the purpose. I will have a dedicated video for that. So with this, the configuration, very simple configuration for the DHCP on Windows Server 2016 data center comes to an end. Please go ahead and subscribe to this video. I'll put the link for the previous 2 videos in the description. Please subscribe, leave your comment if you have anything that you would like me to tell me to improve my way of teaching you guys, or any request you have. Please put in the comments, or you can just send me directly. Please show your love, show your support by liking and subscribing to my channel. I definitely need that. Thank you very much for watching, and please stay tuned for the next one, and have a good day.